Primetime news this evening. Loan limit increase for NHD applicants. Opposition calls for transparency into the $90 million spent on Ward Theatre renovation project. And Caribbean governments urged to reduce overdependence on tourism.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Love.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now later in the newscast, we will have the business news, but Log, who's doing sports today?
The big show, Jeremy Brown is here to give us a preview.
All right, thanks, Anthony. Well, Jamaica's athletes begin their hunt for medals at the World Indoor Athletics Championships this evening in Nanjing, China. Live coverage on TVJ. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
I love your energy. I'm excited about that. But anyway, Romain is also here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. There aren't many changes to the forecast over the next few days. We still are expecting sunny conditions right across the island as we move into the weekend.
And there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and the weather report in detail later on. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we are asking, what are your thoughts on Prime Minister Andrew Holness's contribution to the budget debate?
And you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.